Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we are sharing an excellent turmeric milk recipe which is very helpful in reducing phlegm and cough. It has anti-allergic and anti-inflammatory properties and also boosts immunity. Ingredients are turmeric powder half teaspoon, cloves 2 to 4, raisins or dry grapes 8 to 10, unrefined sugar candy as per taste, water half cup and cow's milk half cup. First, place a vessel on the stove and add half cup of water to it. Then add 2 to 4 cloves, 8 to 10 raisins or dry grapes and half teaspoon of turmeric powder to it and mix well. Also, add unrefined sugar candy as per your taste, mix it well and boil this mixture for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then add half cup of cow's milk to this and boil it for 2 more minutes. This turmeric milk is very effective in reducing allergic cough. Now turn off the flame and filter the mixture using a tea strainer. But remember to add the raisins back into the milk to consume it along with the milk. Use this twice daily for 15 days in case of allergic cough. Try this and share your feedback in the comments below. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such useful videos. Thank you.